Okay, yeah, that worked. Yeah, that worked. Oh my god. Welcome back, guys. Out here, gonna hit this lake here in Kansas, hopefully get a lot of top water. We'll find out. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. That was big. Wow, that one was big. I can't tell where my frog's going back there. Oh, I actually got one on. Hell yeah. I had one on. Damn. Crazy. Well, I cut the legs off of this frog because I've had a lot of hits, but nothing's secured the bite. I didn't cut the legs all the way off. I'll probably cut about 80% of them. If that doesn't work, I'll be a little upset. You know, it's a $10 frog, but we'll find out. Okay, yeah, that worked. Yeah, that worked. Oh my god. Oh my god, yeah, that worked. No! That's like the biggest heartbreak I could feel right now. I know y'all saw that. I just don't know what to feel about that. That thing was easily pushing 5. Easily pushing 5. Now I'm down one frog. The fish hasn't came up to spit it out yet, so hopefully that fish doesn't die. That was a nice fish. Well, now to contemplate and sorrow and tie another frog on. Yep, I'm gonna throw a weightless Texas rig worm in there.
Lightning has been detected near you. Open the first alert weather app to check the location.
Well, lightning has been detected near us, my guy. I don't know if you heard my notification. I'm not losing two, man. I'm gonna let this one tire itself out.
What do you use?
Come on. Come on. Ah. Ah. Big in. Was definitely not about to lose two. Alrighty, he'll go on the scoreboard for the monthly. Guaranteed. Let's see. 16 1/4. So mission is accomplished today, guys. You guys didn't see it, but there was one on the top water. So mission accomplished. One on a weightless Texas rig with the Guggen Slim Shake. But this cove just, it's producing back-to-back 16s. Thunderstorm barreling down on me.